Snoring is that hilarious yet frustrating sound we all know too well. It happens when air struggles to flow through your throat while you sleep, causing those tissues to vibrate and create that unmistakable noise. But what causes it? A blocked nose can definitely be a culprit, along with sleeping on your back or carrying a few extra pounds. Even that late-night drink can turn you into a nighttime chainsaw. So, how do you tackle this? Try sleeping on your side, keep active, and maybe skip that last glass of wine. If snoring is really disrupting your sleep, it could be a sign of sleep apnea, so it's worth getting checked out. Snoring might be funny, but it's important to address it for a better night's sleep.